Now we come to the planning topic, which is the Predictive MRP simulation app. This is violated constraint we already had, but now with 2105, we also included a new button or feature that show constraints. So now in the simulation views, you have also the possibility to see that. And here you can go to the long-term planning. You go into the process Predictive MRP simulations. You can then go to your simulation. You can pick it. And then here you see, right, it's really red. We have 16 violated constraints. And now what I wanted to do is I'll go to the simulation components view. And in that view, I can then see that this new button, show constraints, is already available. And here I see material or supply information. It depends what kind of view you like as a simulator or planner. And here now with this new button, you have the maximum constraints also included in the Predictive MRP, which makes it much easier for the planner to see what is my maximum. And then in Predictive MRP, we also then included in the job here in this capacity category, also two capacity categories. One is actually the machine, second one is the person. So you can then choose also your simulations on those values as well.